Want to go again? Now go down, yeah.
Jay learning how to use machinery. Jay, wave! Oh, you got it! Terrible. Get a big scoop. There's no point going through all that effort to take a little one. Strain your arm right up, Jay. Now go down. Down, not up. Start digging in a bit. Keep going. Now you start curving it. Keep curving it. There you go, now go up. You're not going to make it, you got to drive.
It's just that much.
That's why I didn't do it, because it's... No.
Why not?
Put yourself straight.
It'll go this way.